if one root of the equation 2y square minus ay plus 64 equal to 0 is twice the other, then find the values of a. So one of the root is given, one of the root of the equation is twice the other. What is the meaning for this one? Means let be one of the root alpha, one of the root is alpha, and the other root beta. One of the root of the equation is twice the other. So given is alpha equal to 2 beta. That is meaning for this. One of the root is twice the other. Then we have to find the values of a. Then given equation 2y square minus ay plus 64 equal to 0. From this we can find alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta, sum of the root means minus coefficient of x by coefficient of x square. So here coefficient of y by coefficient of y square. So minus already we are having, that is alpha plus beta equal to formula minus b by a. Listen, clear? So listen, ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a. This is the formula. Remember this one. Clear? So the same thing, or otherwise we can say coefficient of x by coefficient of x square. That is the formula for alpha plus beta. Alpha beta means constant term, that is c by a. Constant term by coefficient of x square. This is the formula for alpha beta. Like this only we have to find. So what we have to do here? So already we are having minus symbol in the formula. Here also we have minus. So plus we are getting by 2. Alpha plus beta equal to a by 2. Alpha beta equal to constant term 64 by 2. We cancel this, what we are getting? Alpha beta equal to 32. Now they are given alpha equal to 2 beta. Find the value of a. Given alpha equal to 2 beta, so this one I return alpha equal to 2 beta. So for this alpha I return 2 beta, and we are having one beta a by 2. 3 beta equal to a by 2. Beta equal to a by 6. This 3 into 2, 6. Beta equal to we are getting a by 6. Then here on alpha we are having only alpha equal to what? 2 beta. So 2 beta into beta. 2 beta into beta equal to 32. For this alpha 2 beta, and we are having beta equal to 32. So 2 beta into beta equal to 2 beta square equal to 32. Beta square equal to 16. So beta equal to plus or minus 4. Now we have to find the value of a. Where we are having a, here we are having a. So for beta equal to plus or minus 4 means we have to apply here 4. Then beta equal to 4. This is equation number 3. In 3, 4 equal to a by 6. This 6 into 4, 24. We are getting a equal to 24. Then beta equal to minus 4 in 3. So minus 4 equal to a by 6 means 6 into minus 4 minus 24. A equal to minus 24. So we are having the values of a equal to plus or minus 24 because one value is 24, another value is minus 24. Therefore, we are getting a equal to plus or minus 24. We are getting. So listen. Sum number 5. One of the root of the equation is given is twice the other. That is meaning is what? So one of the root is alpha, other root is twice that root. So alpha equal to 2 beta. So one root is alpha, another root is beta. So given is alpha equal to 2 beta is given. I written here. Then given equation I find alpha plus beta and alpha beta. Using this 2, we have to find a. So just apply for alpha equal to 2 beta is given. In 1 I apply alpha equal to 2 beta. We are getting beta equal to a by 6. Here also alpha equal to beta. We are getting beta equal to plus or minus 4. Take the value and return here. We are getting a value positive, one another value negative value. So finally we are getting a equal to plus or minus 24. Take them.